Okay, Killer Burgers is this is CFIN6 Chapter 11 Problem 15 11-15. So Killer Burgers capital structure consists of 20% debt, 30% preferred stock, and 50% common stock. If Killer raises new capital, its after tax of cost of debt will be 3.5%. The cost of preferred will be 6%. Its cost of retained earnings will be 10.2%. Its cost of new common equity will be 12.5 or 12.4%. So if Killer needs to raise $220,000, it expects to generate $100,000 in retained earnings this year. What is marginal cost of capital to raise these needed funds? So, yeah. All right. So, weight in debt, W sub D, is 20%. The weight in preferred stock is 30%. And the weight in stock is 50%. And then the after-tax cost of debt, RDT, R sub DT, 3.5%. The preferred stock, cost of preferred stock, RPS, is 6%. The cost of retained earnings is 10.2%. And the cost of new common equity is 12.4%. So they want to raise $220,000. So and then they have retained earnings. Are $100,000. So the break point for retained earnings is $100,000. The retained earnings generated divided by the weight of equity or stock. So that's $200,000. So that means that the company is going to have to issue new common equity because they need $220,000, and anything over $200,000 is going to result in new common equity. So the weighted average cost of capital is the after-tax cost of debt, 3.5%, multiplied by the weight, 0.5. Sorry, that's 0.2. Plus the cost of preferred stock, the 6%, multiplied by the weight, 30%, plus, in this case, since we're gonna have to be issuing new common equity, the weighted average cost of capital is going to be the 12.4. We've exceeded the break point, so 12.4 multiplied by 0.5. We multiply those and add them up, we get 8.70%.